Imagine this. Right now, you are standing on a planet that is moving silently through space, spinning at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't feel it, you don't notice it, but it is happening every single second of your life. Now, imagine if all of that suddenly stopped, not slowly, not gradually, but instantly. 1 second Earth is spinning, the next stops completely. What happens next is not just dangerous, it is unimaginable. Because everything on the surface of Earth is not truly stopped with the planet. Everything was already moving, and the moment Earth stops, that motion continues, so the ground beneath your feet stops. But you don't. Cars, buildings, trees, oceans, even dust in the air. Everything keeps moving forward at thousands of kilometers per hour. It is like the entire planet has been hit by a global-scale invisible impact. Cities would not just shake, they would be torn apart. Structures designed for stability would collapse instantly under forces they were never built to handle. And then comes the air. The atmosphere itself refuses to stop. It continues moving, turning into planet-wide supersonic winds. These winds would not feel like storms. They would feel like the sky itself is attacking the surface of Earth. But the destruction doesn't end there. The oceans react too. They don't stay in place. They surge forward in massive waves, forming global-scale tsunamis that travel across continents. Entire coastlines disappear as water rushes inland with unstoppable force. And all of this happens in the first moments. But the real transformation comes after the chaos settles. Because Earth is no longer spinning, and that changes everything about life as we know it. Without rotation, there is no normal day and night cycle. Instead, Earth begins to divide itself in a completely different way. One half of the planet faces the sun permanently. This side becomes a place of extreme heat where sunlight never leaves, slowly drying oceans and burning the surface over time. The other half becomes trapped in eternal night. Temperatures drop far below freezing, creating a frozen world of darkness and silence. And between these two extremes, there is only a narrow region, a thin band where light and darkness meet. A twilight zone that might still support life. But even that would be unstable and unpredictable. Weather patterns collapse. Climate systems break down. The balance that supports ecosystems disappears. Life would be forced into survival zones it was never designed for. So when we ask, what if Earth suddenly stopped rotating? We are not just asking about a change in physics. We are talking about the complete rewriting of the planet. Because Earth doesn't just give us land to live on, it gives us balance. And without that balance, nothing remains the same.